Hello everyone, welcome to Ni&La online optometry capsules. Today we are going to discuss about vision. What is vision? Vision is the faculty or power of perceiving things through the eyes. It is defined as vision or sight is the power of the eye to focus and detect images formed on the retina by generating nerve impulses. Components of vision include light sense, form sense, color sense and contrast sense. Light sense, ability of the eye to perceive a variation in the degree of light or brightness. Then form sense, ability of the eye to appreciate the shape of an object. Third one, color sense, ability of the eye to recognize differences in the colors and saturation of the light. Last one, contrast sense, ability of the eye to distinguish slight changes in the luminance between regions which are not separated by definite border. These are the four components of vision. These videos are prepared based on the book Manual for Ophthalmic Instruments and Clinical Procedures. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Ni&La Online and hit the bell icon. Thank you.